Ready to switch up your auto insurance? Here's your straightforward guide to canceling your State Farm policy. First things first, gather your policy information. You'll need your State Farm policy number, which you can find on your insurance card, or any recent State Farm correspondence. Having this handy will make the process much smoother. State Farm offers a few convenient ways to initiate your cancellation. Your primary options are typically by phone or through your State Farm agent. If you prefer speaking with someone, call State Farm customer service directly. If you work with a local agent, reaching out to them is often the most personal and efficient route. When you connect with State Farm, clearly state your intention to cancel your policy and specify your desired cancellation date. Be prepared to verify your identity. They'll guide you through their specific cancellation procedures and inform you of any required documentation. It's crucial to understand potential cancellation fees. While State Farm aims for a smooth transition, some policies might have a small cancellation fee, especially if you're canceling midterm. State Farm will clearly outline any applicable fees during your conversation. Before you finalize your cancellation, ensure you have new car insurance in place. Driving without active insurance is illegal and can lead to significant penalties. Research and secure a new policy that meets your needs and budget before your State Farm coverage lapses. Once your cancellation is confirmed, you should receive a confirmation statement from State Farm. Keep this for your records. Congratulations, you've successfully navigated your State Farm car insurance cancellation.